finally, and then for Nick house. You understand? You know, same time say make I come, but not today. So I want to surprise them. You understand? I want to surprise them. You know, even though say that today I did come, I want to surprise them. So guys, follow me. Let's go. We'll just see reaction. You understand? We'll see how you take reactions. You know, understand? Guys, come. I'm going to meet. Let's go.